Ukusuka mhla ziyisithupha kwephezulu intela yewoyela ingu-R1.29 ngelitha likapetrol ibe ngo-23 cents ngelitha likadizili. I-EFF ithi ayiphoseli inselele lentela yewoyela yamanje. I-EFF iphosele inselele isigaba sika 48.2 somthetho wentela, i-Customs and Excise Act 91 ka-1964. Iphosele inselele ungqongqoshe wezimali u-Enoch Godongwana namandla akhe okuyithathela yena isinqumo sokuguqula intela ekhokhwa ngopetrol. Ithi iPhalamende kuphela elinamandla okwenza lokhu.
I'll make reference to 48.2, which is the empowering provision, which is a provision, we argue, that does not have the necessary safeguards. And that is problematic from a constitutional point of view, as this full bench this year found in relation to the VAT Act, and I'll make reference to it and draw comparators. And we say for that very reason, this court found as it did in the VAT Act, you must find in this matter. So I have no difficulties with the promulgation of the new notice. I have no difficulties with that. Our fight is far broader than that. We say, to the extent the minister can do exactly that, impose tax and bypass legislative oversight, and then just allow it to lapse and then do the same thing over and over again, that is taxation without representation, which our courts, particularly the Constitutional Court, has found to be unconstitutional.
Ngonyaka odlule inkantolo yasichitha isicelo se-EFF sokuvimbela ungqongqoshe wezimali ukuba angayikhuphuli intela yewoyela. Inkantolo ephakeme yaseKapa yathi awukho umthetho okufanele ungqongqoshe awulandele adlule nasePhalamende uma enyusa intela yewoyela.